Hey guys, welcome back and thanks for joining me. I know I cannot believe this myself. This is probably the biggest mess I have ever made. I have been practicing, or at least trying, to do some swipes to no avail. I have scraped a bunch of them too, and I got frustrated and I figured, you know what? Since I've already made a mess, I already have all my Bloom Shelly Art materials and paints and everything out. And I didn't want to waste the canvas because wasting a canvas is just silly. So I figured, you know what? I'm just going to do a bloom and be done with it. So I am going to just have some fun and hopefully get something good because I've clearly had an off night. I've done two pours, two videos, and both of them just did not work out, and it's very disappointing. So, just for, everyone out there watching, we're not perfect. Us YouTubers out here who put all these videos out and make everything look so cool and, make it look so easy. I've had so many people say, oh, you make it look so easy. Guys, it's not. It really isn't. I tell you, man, we struggle. We struggle just like you guys do. Believe me, you just don't see it. That's all. And if there's a YouTube out there that tells you they can do everything perfectly and they don't struggle, I call that a big fat lie. Absolutely big fat lie. So, yes, I do believe that. I figured I have everything out. If you want to see what the recipes are for my bloom technique, you can check out video number 131. Everything is listed there in that very, very long video. So, yeah, I'm just gonna putz around with this. I don't even know if this is gonna work. I've never actually done this with 4 puddles. But I figured, hey, I'm in experiment mode. I might as well experiment because at this point, I'm just, not happy with how my evening has been with all these failed attempts. So I'm going to try something else. All right, so let's blow this out. All right. So the one thing I totally goofed because I'm too busy talking and not paying attention is I did not add a puddle of pillow paint in my center. So that sucked really bad. But there's a close-up of what I have. Okay, very cool. So I am going to tilt this now. Oh, bugger, Canella. I'm such a mess. Oh my gosh. Seriously, what a mess. Okay. So, I don't know how this is going to work out because I totally did not put some pillow paint in the center. Because clearly I'm just a little bummed out with how everything has turned out for me tonight and I'm not thinking straight. So, let's see. I went to one corner, so now I'm going to go to the other corner. If you really want to learn if you want to learn how to do this and what I'm doing, there is a full, and I mean hour-long tutorial on YouTube, it's video number 131. So feel free to check that out, because I'm just really not going to repeat all that in this video. But yeah, so I'm going to tilt from corner to corner. I'm going to come back now, and I'm actually kind of liking this right now. So that is making me a little happy right now, because that looks really cool. So I'm going to bring it back down to the center, and then I'm going to stretch to the other corners. I'm just trying to keep you guys in screen, but I can't also see what I'm doing. So, all right, let's go down to the other corner now. Hopefully there is enough base pillow paint to help this guy move along. So it is a very thick house paint. So it is slow moving, but it seems to be moving nicely. And I'm actually really liking this. So my day or my night is going to end off on a positive note, thank goodness, because I'm really liking this. Okay, now let's go back. Yep, let's go back. Wow, and my sides are all covered nicely too. Yay! Finally, something good is happening here. All right, so the purple here in the top corner right here is stretching back, which is nice. I'm just going to hold it here and wait for it to move its way down, which is slowly but surely happening. But I am loving this. I'm so excited. Finally, I succeeded in a pour tonight. I guess third time's a charm, right? All right, come on, move it. Move it. Keep moving. I've taped the back of my canvas, so I'm hoping I don't get any excess paint under there, but it is what it is. Almost there, almost there. Come on. Move it or lose it. Anyways, in the meantime, if you guys want to check out Juno's YouTube channel, I know I mention it in every video because I want you guys to go over there and check it out. Check out his channel and please subscribe. He's I think he's at the 700 something subscribers. I'd like to get him up there with subscribers. So please follow his channel. I would really appreciate it. All right, so I'm going to just bring it back to the middle here, and then I'm going to let it be. So yeah, check out his channel, check out his shenanigans with the kids and him playing in the snow and all that fun stuff. And check out all my links in the description below, guys. I've got my Amazon links. Look at that shine. Woohoo! Amazon links, and all my social media links are also listed below, and my PayPal link for anyone who would like to donate to my channel. And that's it. Subscribe, guys. Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. And that is it. And oh my gosh, I'm actually happy. That is super cool, and all my edges are covered. This is great. I'm so happy. Finally, a good pour tonight. I'm loving the colors. All right, so this is on a 12 by 12 inch canvas, guys. I'm going to bring you down for a close-up so that you could see what I'm looking at. Be right back. Alrighty, guys, here it is. Check. Oh, my battery is low. Check this out. Finally, a very cool looking pour. My two swipes ended up on the table because they were no good, but I'm really liking this. Oh, there's an air bubble right there. I'm gonna have to pop that. But anywho, let me know what you guys think in the comments. This is going to be available for purchase if anyone is interested in this piece. Feel free to email me. My email is listed in the description below. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe. Look at that shimmer. subscribe and hit that notification bell, guys. And that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm sorry for the colossal mess. I know it's ridiculous, but it is what it is. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.